How to remove suggested for you posts on Facebook. First off, we need to access Facebook from within the app itself. So I'm just going to open the Facebook app here. And after we're taken to the Facebook app, we want to click on our profile picture next to the notifications in the top right corner. From here, we want to scroll down until we see settings and privacy. Press on it. Then select the first option, which says settings. And here again, you need to scroll down until you see location. Just click on location. Okay, so in order to stop suggested for you posts popping up on your Facebook feed, you need to turn your location off. Now the process varies from phone to phone. However, if you go to device settings here, you can see the option and how you can do it on your specific phone. However, I'm going to show you for Android. So I'm just going to click on not now, go all the way back until we have the Facebook app itself. I'm going to press on it and hold, then select app info. Then click on app permissions, and here we wanna select location. Just click on deny, and if we go back now, the location will no longer be accessible through Facebook and you will no longer receive suggested for you posts on Facebook. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.